So if I go back to the main window here, you can see that we just have this content property hard-coded like I was showing you, but what we can do instead is we can use a binding. So if I go type in binding here using the curly braces, so you need to have this syntax where we put binding inside the curly braces, and then we need to say what property on the data context we want to bind to. And I forgot the name, so if we jump back, we can see fancy text is the one that I want to bind to. I'm just going to copy that name and paste it right here. And that means if we go to run this application now, we should be able to see that binding is set to fancy text for content on the cool label, which means it's going to take whatever value we have for that property called fancy text. In this case, we should see that that label says fancy with 2 exclamation marks. So if I go ahead and run this, a very simple application, it just has the label on it, but you can see that it does say fancy. So that's a very simple binding. And if I go back to the XAML here, this binding is working one way. And that's because labels are read-only.